Oyilunga lomkhonto wesizwe uveze ukuzwelana kanye noDr Ndlozi kulento abamiyenza yona ku-EFF. Uthi nje uJulius Malema unomona ngoba nespeech sakhe asenzile sitshengisa khona ukuthi kade ngamfuni uDr Ndlozi. Okuyinkinga kakhulu-ke ukuthi amalungu e-EFF afuna uDr Ndlozi abe yi-deputy president kanti uMalema ufuna ukufaka abantu bakhe. Obe sethi futhi akayiboni i-EFF igcina iliphatha lelizwe ngoba iyahluleka futhi ukuzwa ngabantu. Ifuna ukwenza izinto ngendlela yayo.
Madoda kubi. I feel sorry for leli commander Dr Ndlozi. Madoda siyasibonisa ndoda. Lento lebamenza yona lapha kwi-EFF ekubhlungu. uMalema unemona. Malema unemona. Speech sakhe kuyakhombekisa ukuthi lo muntu kudala ngamfuni. Dala ngamfuni and abantu bafuna bani uNdlozi ukuthi abe yi-deputy president, but Ndlozi is not there. Malema yena ufuna abantu bakhe labo kusho ukuthi uzoba controller. I-political party lenjani? I-youth ifuna umuntu wayo, wena uthi wena ufuna umuntu wakho. Guys nisidlela isikhathi mfowethu. uNdlozi la khona ndoda akekho right lo mtshita. I feel sorry for him, but don't worry commander, uzoba right empilweni. uMarshall Dlamini, yo, that secretary ukhuluma idodi. Ngeke kuncede madoda, ngeke kuncede. If a person has been chosen by the people, you need to accept. Kanti nini nibandla banjani? Nibandla banjani? Nithi EFF ngizo run country, ngeke thina nisirane nini ngokuthi anifuna ukuzwa ngebantu nine, ngeke nisirane thina. Niyophelela lapho nine nicontrolane nine. Nemona madoda, yekelana umona. Lo mtshita lona ngoba ukhona ukucula. Phela uNdlozi is better than Julius Malema. uNdlozi ustrong undlula uJulius Malema wenu uNdlozi. Nine jealous, yekelani jealous bantu be-EFF, yekelani jealous.
Ufakazele umunye-ke oyilunga lomkhonto wesizwe sikwenzeka kanjani ukuthi i-EFF branch ifuna uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi kodwa uMalema decide ukumbhena. Uthi nje indlela enza ngayo Julius Malema akuyona ipolitiki le, icacile ukuba iyamhlula. Kodwa akekho nesibindi kwi-EFF ukuthi amtshele uJulius Malema ukuthi indlela enza ngayo akenzi ngendlela e-right ngoba uJulius Malema uzomxosha lowo muntu.
So the members of the EFF were told who to vote for. The members of the EFF were channeled to say, go this way, come that way, do this, don't do that, in an elective conference. I want to believe an elective conference, it is where people have to have a choice on who do they want. The branches of the EFF wanted Mbuyiseni Ndlozi to be the deputy president or to stand for the presidential candidate. And someone there at the helm of the EFF saw that as a threat, and he decided to abolish him, to ban him from attending the conference. Is that democratic? Then you'll hear people saying, hey, President Zuma appoints people, hey, President Zuma appoints whoever he wants to. Are you not channeling the people on who to vote for? Because if they wanted Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, why then did you ban him from attending that conference? Is it not the branches that should elect people who they want, not people who you want? Because if you, as Julius Malema, wants Godrich Gadi and the branches do not want him, they want Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, then you ban Mbuyiseni Ndlozi from attending so that people can be channeled on who they have to vote for. Is that democratic? Is that democratic? So you don't want a challenge. You don't want the people to choose who they want. You want them to choose who you want. Excuse me, is that politics? So apparently in the EFF, when you go against Malema, then you are in trouble. We have to agree on what he says. If you don't agree with him, then you are in trouble. Is that the democratic part of it? When people saying they do what they want, they do as they please, is that what they are doing? Because the branches wanted Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Instead of giving the branches what they want or who they want, you ban that person so that you can stand alone or can stand with people that you want to be next to you. People don't want Godrich Gadi. They don't want him. They want Mbuyiseni Ndlovu, and we are banning them. Those people that were there, the 2.7 something delegations, are those that are your people, your faction. Ilabathandwa wuwe as the president. Labazwana na anything loyichoyo wena. Those ones who disagree with that, they are not allowed to come in the conference. What kind of politics is that? You want to be seen as a solid organization, whereas thousands of people do not agree with that which you are doing. You don't give them accreditation cards so that they don't come and oppose you in the conference. Yeah, ne?